While building our pool, we also wanted to build a cabana in order to house some of the pool equipment, to entertain guests in the summer months, and to just have some extra storage space as well. What started out small became something much larger than we originally intended, but I think you'll like it. Check it out. These are original concepts that showed just one building, a small bar area, and a door that would lead into the pool equipment area. Here are the architect's plans. You can see that they're a lot bigger than what we originally intended. There are 2 buildings and a connecting roof. You have a bathroom, a pool equipment room on the left side, a central seating area, and on the right side, a full kitchen with bar. This was the completed framing of the cabana as you saw in the original drawing. However, we decided to take it one more step. We wanted to enclose that interior area so that we can have more usable space throughout the year. So we started to form the slab in between the 2 buildings. We took all the bricks out, started from scratch, formed the area that the concrete would be poured, and we added some insulation underneath so there would be less shifting of the slab throughout the year. Once we completed the middle portion with the concrete slab, we were able to commence the framing to enclose the area in between the 2 buildings. Then we proceeded to start finishing the interior of the building, including the electrical rough-in, plumbing rough-in, heating rough-in, and all the other things required before insulation. We brought all the rough-in work back to the utility room that houses all the equipment for the cabana. So in terms of the utility room where everything's stored, we decided to build a little area at the side of the cabana, away from everything and behind this privacy screen here. The pool equipment room is filled with pretty well everything that powers the cabana and the pool. And it has the pool pump, the pool filter, it has the heater for the cabana, which is a tankless water heater, just because I couldn't fit a tank in this 5x6 room. There is the electrical panel here. This powers everything in the cabana as well as the pool equipment. I also installed some speakers in the cabana, a Sonos system, which works wirelessly with, you have an app on your phone that controls your system, so it's really cool. This is the pool automation control, which controls the lighting, any water features, which I don't have right now, but it's pretty much the brains of the operation in terms of the pool. I installed Wi-Fi in the cabana as well, so that when you're in the backyard, you could go on your internet, you could use your computer, your tablet, whatever it is. We have the security system here, which has cameras set up. It records 24 hours a day. This is the lawn sprinkler system, which controls all the zones of the sprinkler, and it's currently off right now just because the season is done. This is the main ductwork that travels throughout the cabana and gives the heating and air conditioning to the cabana. We went with an air handler so that you can install it in a tighter space, as you can see here. So that's where all the pool equipment is stored, the cabana equipment, and everything else leads to this room. It's the main brains of the operation, if you will, and just everything is out of the way, out of mind, and that's it. So these are the main gas shutoffs, and they travel from the front of the property way down there, about 200 and some odd feet, all the way underground, and they end up in this location here. It goes inside the equipment room and it just powers everything that you saw there, and I think it's just nice to have it out of the way. There's also an air conditioning unit that goes into the air handler inside and cools down the building in the summer months. Both the interior and exterior work were getting completed at the same time. We started to install all the exterior items like windows, doors, siding, and roofing. For the windows and doors, we decided to go with a vinyl clad system, and the main door is a big sliding door. It opens to about 8 feet in the middle there, and it's about 16 feet wide by 8 feet high. So it just brings a lot of light inside the cabana. During the summer, it warms up the place during the winter, so it's just really great to have that big wide open door. For the bar area, we also decided to put in a sliding door instead of a window so that we could also open up the middle area and serve our guests from the inside. So we just thought it was a nice feature to have that instead of just a regular cranking window to open and close. So in terms of the cladding on the building, we went with a hardy board siding. It's a fiber board siding that it pretty much stands the test of time. It lasts for years and years. You can have wear and tear on this thing and it will not fade. It may scratch, but you could touch it up with the paint that they give you when you purchase the product, and it just lasts like a very long time. And I like it because the color doesn't fade as well. A lot of siding, you'll find that colors fade and you have to keep repainting it over the years. This product here just lasts a very long time. So let's go take a walk inside and see a few of the features that we added, a few of the finishes that we did, and I think you'll like it. Here we go. So I made the cabana comfortable and installed a full kitchen so that when you're entertaining guests or your kids are outside and they need to get a quick bite or a quick drink, everything's accessible here. So I installed a fridge with a water dispenser and ice dispenser here, installed a dishwasher, a gas stove, as well as 2 bar fridges. So, you know, it was pretty inexpensive. I didn't really spend a lot of money on these appliances. They are stainless steel, but I got them on special at Home Depot, to be honest. And the bar fridges, usually they cost around, you know, in and around maybe $1,000 each or over $1,000 each. So I think I got these for a couple $100 each. They were on sale, on special, and a clearance item. So we made a good deal there. The doors are made of a pre-finished material so that they're more durable, they withstand the weather. It is a little bit humid in here, even though there's an air conditioner, but we just decided to do everything a little bit more wear and tear resistant. So now welcome to the bathroom. We put a full shower in here. Instead of an exterior shower where you could just rinse off the chlorine or salt water, you get to come in here and take a full shower in a full bathroom. So we just really wanted to get this to the right size so that it can also act as a change room, and I think we achieved that. So here we have a vanity that we bought from a local supplier. It was a really good price. I believe it was about $450. Everything, faucet, sink, and cabinetry. And I think it was a good deal, and it looks pretty nice in here. Usually we don't have all this furniture in here. This is the outside furniture, and we just put it in here because we've closed the pool for the winter. Winter's coming very soon, and we just decided to bring everything inside so that, you know, instead of storing it outside with covers, bring it inside. Everything fits nicely in here, so that's what we did, and I think it actually makes a good seating area. So this fireplace here was also a fireplace that was left over from one of the job sites. It was a gas fireplace, so I just decided to reuse it, and I think it looks pretty good here. Nice TV so that when you're outside you can watch the TV, and the kids love it as well. They can hang out in here and just enjoy the summer or the winter. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. I'm gonna be posting videos on do-it-yourself projects, construction, engineering, tech and gear. Those are the things that I like. I hope you guys like that as well, and stay tuned for more. Talk to you soon.